How to find someone's location by phone number. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device. Inside web browser in the search address bar, search for the Truecaller. All you have to do is go to the Truecaller's official website. Now inside the official website, you can see there is a download options available. So as you can see, this app is not available on my Reason. So we will have to search it from the web version of it. Now scroll down and there you'll get to see number option available. Simply type down the number you are looking for. Also make sure to change your country code available there, and it provides you the exact reason, name and carrier details. Also make sure to sign into your Truecaller account before doing so. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.